Good morning. Late ride out ngayon and wala akong destination talaga na pupuntahan. I'm just gonna ride my bike. Saan ride niyo, sir?
Yan lang mo, walang.
Awa.
Nakali na nga ako eh.
Na.
Baka nasoto naman dito eh.
We're on the way to MOA. We're here somewhere at Bangko Sentral or National Museum. Oh, fine arts. Ay, college yun pinag-usapan niya?
Opo.
Ah.
Lalab siya ng kakasuhan.
Online?
Online lang.
Sa ano? Pateros? Pateros Technological College.
PTC?
Ah, PTC.
Magkano po yung tuition?
Yung una 13K, tapos yung
13? May IT?
may
IT?
IT ako.
IT ako?
Pwede.
Ano lang? Kaya nga tsaka malapit lang din sa akin.
Ay, online lang. Online. Pure online.
Hindi talaga pupunta sa school?
Hindi. Pag ano na, thesis na. Pag thesis na, capstone.
Pwede na yun. Pwede na. Next time na.
Lit.
Kaya siya nakababa, kaganda eh.
Ay, pauwi na kayo. Pauwi na. Hello. Pauwi na ako ng MOA. Galing MOA. Then, I think I'm gonna cycle for maybe Antipolo. Mag-Antipolo pa kaya ako. We'll see. QC Circle. So we're gonna go to Congressional so that we can go to San Mateo, Timberland. Hello. Commonwealth Batasan. So yeah, didire-diretso lang natin and we're gonna reach San Mateo, Rizal. Doon na ako magmamaps pag malayo na. UP.
Ano po? Payatas.
Payatas.
Pitex.
Okay, okay.
Ano po?
Galing akong MOA, tapos tatry ko mag-Timberland.
Ito eh.
Ha?
Galing din ako mawa kaso.
Ah.
Wala na. Nag-temple na ako sa'yo mawa eh. Wala na akong lakas.
Mga pag-weekend, ilan yung total mo? Kilometers? Ganun.
Weekend na lang.
Si wala. Ay, ano pala name mo?
Ano po? Jan Melvin.
Jan?
Jan Melvin.
Jan Melvin. Mati.
Mati po.
Ingat, ingat. I love Batasan. Yan si John. John Melvin. Taga Payatas. Galing din siyang MOA. Ako punta akong Timberland. Diretso pa ako. Kaya siguro ako tinawag ni John. Kasi dun pala sa Batasan Road yung likuan. Ako dun dire-diretso. Kala ko malayo pa. Sobrang layo ng na diretso ko. Ay, ginagawa mo man. Yun ang sobra mo man. Pababa yung Timberland. Okay. Hello. Pure Gold San Mateo. Then tama na sana yung pupuntahan natin, Timberland. Angels Footlong. Kulit mo eh. Kumakain ka habang nagbabike. So we're going to Timberland Heights. Timberland Heights. The reason why I'm cycling is because I need to clear my mind from the things that bothers me. Work, school, and learning how to program, how to code. Rough road. Rough road. Ayan daw. Wow. Saan yung Timberland? Alin dito yung daan? Ito pala yung famous na left or right.
Ay, hindi ka pa
Oo.
Hindi ka pa nakakaon.
Halin eh.
Mga ilang minutes yung ahon hanggang sa taas.
Pag nasa, 50 tatakbo mo, mga 5 minuto nandun ka na.
Okay.
Nagsi lang yan.
Nikli lang.
Ako parang exercise lang ako. Kasi mapalit yan eh.
Sige sir.
May stock open dito eh. Sabayan kita.
Sige. Ang pangalan sir?
Pero Abel.
Abel. Ako si Mati.
Pero ako hindi ako makakasabay sa'yo pag diretso ka na ha.
Ah.
Detail ka pa na kasi ako.
Diretso lang.
Sabay kain dito ba mo mamaya? Okay.
Sige. Diretso na lang. Diretso na ako, sir. Yan na, Timberland. Morning. Grabe naman. Hi. Solid. Timberland Heights. Morning pa.
Paano na naman yung kamo?
Solid yung ahon dito ah. Natawa naman ako kay sir. Yung kwento niya na ang mahal daw nung bike, tapos inatake. Ang gaan nga ng bike pero wala din. Siguro nasa age na rin. Try nating straight lang nang hindi natukod. Pero pag nag-cut yung video, ibig sabihin tumigil na ako. Solid dito. Morning pa. Yun ang tarik sir oh. Ito na yun. Ito na yung may mga gulong-gulong. No? Uy. Uy. Ang kunat ah. Oh my god. Ayan na. Ang kunat. Ayan na. Kunat sir. Parang ano na to ah. Vertical na ah. Uy, parang vertical na to. Hey, morning. Tarik ng lusong. Uy, pag tumigil ka, tumba ka eh. Nakakahilo sir. Ay, ikutin natin. Unat mo, sir. Yes, sir. Oh. Legs. You can do it, leg. Leg 1, leg 2. Alright. Habang umahan tayo, explain ko yung Git. So yung Git, para siyang memory card. So, sa PC ka, di ba? Nag-create ka na ng folder. Kunyari, folder mo, Mati files. So pagka mo lang pag naggawa ka ng or pag may change ka sa mga files mo, tapos parang point of no return na pwede mag-fail yung inad mo, dun useful yung commit. Kasi pag merong ability so para mapalabas yung mga commits mo, para mabalikan mo yung commits, mag-ano ka, git log, ikakopy mo yung hash number, tapos ano, git checkout space yung basa oh shit. Git checkout space yung hash number, tapos mare-revert nun yung previous commit mo. Ayan, yan lang yung Git. Mamaya na yung GitHub. On muna tayo. 5%. Yan, wall 1. So, kailangan pala mag-login muna din. Wawawi. Ahon, sir. Yan na. Okay. GitHub na, GitHub. Yung GitHub naman, from the word itself, GitHub. Hub, parang Google Drive. So, online siya. Wawawi. Huh. Ang layo na natin, sir. So yung GitHub, ayan, GitHub, online lang siya. Pag nag-aaral kang mag-GitHub or mag-web dev, so first, don't rely on libraries like React or Bootstrap. Sarap po, e-bike. So don't rely on that. Kailangan mo yung raw. You need the raw HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and stuff. Because if you rely on those things, hindi ka matututong mag hard code. Ako nagtry ako mag-react. Yung react, ang daling maglagay ng forms, ang daling mag reference ng mga components. Pero hindi ka matututo dun sa sa paggamit ng library and framework. Dito yung starting point ng trail. Nasaan na yung iba? Yung ibang wall. Ikot na yata ito eh. Oh, ikot na to. Yeah. Mukhang dead end yun. First time ko dito sa Timberland. Mukhang dead end yan. Yung nandun. So, tatry ko mag left dito. Alam ko meron pa yun eh. May mga wall something pa yun eh. Wall 2, wall 3, wall 4. Saan kaya yan? Hey, shout out to DYI. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but yeah, been watching your videos, and I think I have the same challenges, minus the graduation and being a software engineer. But I'll get there. Maybe 3 years in 3 years time. So I'm planning to take masters after graduation so that I can have teaching units. Then I can teach on executive class from the class where I am currently at. So for online school. And I'm not sure if this is Timberland still, or I need to go somewhere. Is this the end? Hey.
Bakit di ako maabot dun ah? Isa mo. Dala mo pa yung iyan mo.
Ha?
Dala mo. Hindi, pinapaback up ko pa sa tropa.
Ay, hello sir.
Ay.
Saan po yung mga, di ba, wall 1? Anong pa yung pinupuntahan dito sa Timberland?
Ay, teka. Sir Mike! Siya may kapisado.
Okay.
Ano yung mga pinupuntahan pa dito?
Wala. Ito na?
Ito ni dulo noon?
Trail na dun eh.
Trail na.
Ito na lang. Wala nang...
Ito na yung pinakadulo niya, sir.
Okay. Sige. Magkano nga yung entrance sa dito? 500 day
Dito,
pass.
sir, 550.
Per one. Hanggang anong oras?
Only, sir.
Only? Oo.
Only for...
Okay, get. Di ba may wall 1, tas may wall 2.
Tapos na yun.
Yun na yun.
Ano mo na yun eh.
Okay.
Galing sa baba.
Wala nang wall 2, ganun.
Wala na siya, tapos na.
Ah.
Tapos ka na.
Okay. Sige, sige. Tapos na pala. Kitang-kita yung Manila. Puro buildings. Alright, ingat. Alright, brake before you need to brake. Hirap mawala ng preno dito. Shit. Whee! Whee! Nakakatakot. Intersection. Only pala yun. Only pala yung 550. Alright, may na-info ka na naman. May iba ka na namang pangarap. Mag-trail. Ay, naku man. Dami mong gustong gawin. Ayan. So, pauwi na tayo. Punta pa tayo ng Santa Mesa, Timberland Heights. Ayan. Matty on Timberland Heights. Time out tayo dito. Wala na tong time out, sir. Okay na. Thank you. Selfie nga tayo dito sa Timberland.
Baka na?
Ano?
Ingat.
Hmm.
Taga saan ka ba?
Tandang Sora.
Saan sa tanda sa Balat?
Banlat. Sa may yung Tandang Sora Shrine. Dambana, doon banda, doon.
Kaano ako, nagsisigay ako. Nagkala ko yan. Kasalapo ko. O yan, ingat.
Yeah, ingat din. Ito tayo sa may net. Ito na yung famous na siko. Nakakatakot. Well, hindi yung matarik eh. Mag-brakes ka nga lang, babad na. Vertical. Whee! Okay, tama na yan. That's enough for that. We're somewhere here at Marikina. I'm exploring new routes. Okay. Gets. Okay. This is Marikina River. Nasaan yung ano? Nandun sa kabila. We are at Cubao. Araneta, Cubao. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Stop, man. Actually, I can just go turn right over here. Turn right. Yeah. That is Mount Carmel Church. Right there. Yep. So I'll see you guys later pag-uwi. Pag-uwi. Mula dito sa Santa Mesa. Hello. Lakas ng hangin ah. So, pauwi na ako galing sa mom ko kung saan siya nagsistay. Yun yung weekend ritual. At least once a week. Visit. Grabe ulan, sir, Mount Carmel. Ang lamig. Ang lamig. Ligo talaga pagdating. So dapat wag masyado na magpapawis or magpagod. Chill pace lang kahit na ulanan. Para makaligo agad. Tapos tulog. Tapos ang ride. Tapos ang Sunday. Dito magla-left tayo. Thank you so much. Mabait na sasakyan. So, bale, yung Strava ko kanina is 93. So, ito, 11 kilometers pa uwi. Itong ulan pa uwi. Bale, ano? Ano yan? Bali 100 plus pala ngayong araw. total. Compute natin mamaya. Now. Lakas. Lakas ng ulan. Lakas ng hangin at ulan.
Wala.
Grabe. Sana wag lang lumakas yung hangin. Okay lang yung ulan eh. Wag lang yung hangin. Sakit sa mata. Whee! Oh, creator of whatever purpose of me here on earth, make this rain as a sign of Matty sleeping 8 hours every day, Matty not consuming weird social media except from the white list, and more opportunities to ride his bike. Amen. The rain is gone and we can safely go home without any issues, I think. Hopefully, no more rain. I should call this ride the reset. So there are no longer days where you're gonna consume social media all over the place. When you're gonna be working, you should be working. And it's beautiful to ride your bike once in a while. Or every day. At least like an hour. Solaire. Alright, and improve on what I have. So right now I am a student, and what a student needs to be. Oh, by the way, I also work, so working student. Too much wind here. Ang hangin. You gotta change how, or you need to change the relationship with yourself, or baha. So yun siguro yung conclusion for today. I mean, something needs to change, right? We're not permanently the way we are. We can change for the better. Yay. We can change for the better. You're not permanently in your situation right now. What are those stones? I mean, any one of us can change. And so much talk, no? Yeah, accept who you are, who you truly are, with all of your, you know, with all of your defects, with all of your insecurities, with all of your all. With all of your all. And you need to at least make people smile. That's the intention when you walk up to somebody. The intention is to make them smile. It's not about you having an impression on them. Your intention is to make them smile with all the things that you got at the moment. That's too hard, that's not easy. But if you think like that, I think you will be more outward towards yourself. Alright, man, you need to figure out why the heck are you happy right now. Okay, so number one reason is I deactivated my Facebook account. So that's number one. Number two, I found a creator who I wanted to be career-wise. That's gonna be DD or DYI. Downhill. We'll talk later. This is downhill. Hello, still dark. Ang dark ng face ko. So walang ilaw. So number one, I wanted a similar career in web development. Or not really web development, but software engineer in general. But first I will be a web developer, then learn the API and stuff, or the backend. Number two, she's living the dream of an introvert. Only with her cats and two cats, G2 and I don't know the other one. Number three, self-discovery. I'm actually doing it right now through this YouTube thing. So trying things that are uncomfortable. I instantly got hooked by her content. The first video I watched is the 8 years of experience as software engineer in the Philippines, just to make sure that I'm not a simp or something, because I don't want to disturb anyone's life. Yeah, so I like how okay, since we are on this topic, wow, it's like you're talking to someone, actually talking to someone, but I'm gonna be talking to my subscribers anyway. So in a relationship, so there are two worlds, my world and the other person's world. So I don't want to be in her world or her in my world. There's only a intersection in the middle where we both exist. So, or we coexist, but the stuff that she needs to do, I don't have a say to that. That's what I like. So we only coexist in that simple circle. Yeah. Okay, that's a good sharing. And not really. Okay, I'm gonna need to focus up. If the party's over, I wanna be next. Number 4, or is it number 5? I'm able to learn Git and GitHub. I was able to learn it in, I think, 2 days. But the actual practice is not yet solid. So I'm gonna need to do some commit, do some push or sync. I only use Visual Studio, by the way. Number 6. Bakit nasa madilim lagi tayo? Number 6 is I'm able to get my feet wet doing the actual work of a web developer. It's only basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And with a little bit of AI, I'm able to build a 50% of the website. Online shopping. You can check my GitHub repo in the description. But don't do anything bad on it, okay? Alright, we're home. Tandang Sora Shrine, and I live somewhere here.
Bibi! Bibi! Yan ang dugo-dugo.
Alright.
Miko, Miko! Ay. Ang baby yun, baby.
Ano Nico? Ano ka na? Ano nang problema mo? Ha? Oy! Stay, sit. Aso, dogo. Ay! Uy!
Ano? Na-miss me.